I like this one. There's always good ways to look at things. Of course, here there is a demand from business to create an artificial intelligence, and that demand is being fulfilled by the engineer on the right. And I think all of us can very much imagine what it is that the commercial person on the left is thinking here. And we also know what the technical person on the right is thinking, even though that is not being explicitly said. So there is a huge conflict that arises out of AI, out of computing, out of delivering computation to business, between commercial requirements, the requirement of making money, to the technical requirement of making it work, putting the technologies together that make things work. My favorite quote of all times I have just heard very recently is that scientists cannot be trusted because they have allegiance to the truth. And I thought that is a fascinating sentence to start explaining the conflict between commercial requirements and technical requirements on projects. Here's my personal attempt of making a chip that does the sparse AI calculations that people are looking for. In fact, this is 3 chips put next to each other inside of a package, inside of an FPGA, and we've laid out here the circuitry and customized it to a particular use case, to a particular customer who wanted to do this. So what we've done to do that is we've used a chip called an FPGA, where you can change the circuit anytime you want. Usually even within 100 milliseconds, you can change the whole circuit around. So you're not the CPU, it's not the GPU, it's not an ASIC, it's not a specially made chip that you've manufactured for your activity, but it's somewhere in between. It gives you the flexibility to change it, but at the same time, it runs 10 or 100 times faster than any of the programmable CPU technologies.